Don't buy any page from anybody without watching this video. I repeat, don't buy any page from anybody without watching this video. Now I'm showing you guys. Some people have bought page today. At the end of the day, they didn't see anything. You will go to their followers count, you'll be seeing followers at their profile, but when you go to your main place, you will see your followers, you will not see any followers. Or some, they will see followers, but they are not organic, they are ghost followers. So make sure that you watch this video very well before you buy any page from anybody. This is very, very important. As you're watching this video, share it out so that others will learn and will not fall victim to this, because a lot of people have fall victim to it. They don't know about this, they went and buy page. At the end of the day, they regret buying it. So join me on the screen, let me show you what to check on that page before you make any payment. Let's go, guys.
So guys, before buying any page, make sure that you come to the profile of that page. Once you come here, you will see followers. Tap on that followers, it will take you to this side. Once you come to this side, now check the followers where they are coming from. Okay, are they from Bangladesh, India, US, UK, Nigeria, Ghana, Senegal, any country that they are coming from? Check it very well. Okay, make sure that you see pictures here, you see names here. And how to know if those profiles are normal human being? Okay, if you tap at them now, you see this one. Now I tap, wait, let it load. Now have you seen it? This one now have profile picture. You see the information of this one. As you can see post here. Now this one now is organic follower. Okay, once you make any post, the person will like, will comment. If he or she wants, he can share for you. But if it is not organic follower, if you tap the profile, you might not even see any profile picture here. You will not see the places the place the person live. You will not see any upload. Everything will just be blank, like that. Okay, so that is how to know if that page, if those followers are organic or not. Check it here, know the type of pictures that you see here. And is it just avatar that you see, or there is no profile picture there? Some self, if you come here self, you might not even see followers at all. You might not even see followers here at all. Some, if you see followers like this now, they are not organic, they are ghost. You understand? If you type their profile, you not see anything on their profile. So make sure that before you buy any page, check this, come here and check the followers. Check it very well. Okay, know if they are normal human being or ghost followers. So after checking this side, go to see dashboard. Once you come here, know how the page is performing, the performance of that page. Check the reach, the engagement, the views, and how people are following the page. Okay, just come here and see it, see more insight. Wait guys, it's loading, my network is fluctuating. Oh load. Hey, so once you come here, you see how the page is performing. You tap see all, you see the engagement, how you see the reach, you see the engagement, you see the net followers, the 3 seconds video, and everything concerning the page. Okay, very, very important. Make sure that you check these things very well before you buy any page. If you want to check the last 7 days, you tap it, see the last 7 days. Now if you want to check last 28, if you want to check last 28 days, you tap here, tap 28 days. Have you seen it? You check it, check how the page is moving, if everything is okay. You understand? Very, very important. Make sure that you check this performance very well, know how the page is performing. before you buy any page. Okay, so after checking this side, you can also go to your page recommendation. Go to the page recommendation. Oh, network, wait now. After checking this side, you can go to page recommendation. Check the page recommendation is recommendable. Very, very important to check the page status. Everything is okay. So after checking that place, you go to support inbox. Check if there is any alert or not. As you can see, no violation. So once you check all those things, the page is okay. So you go ahead and buy. Make sure that you check this place. It's very important. Know if the followers are organic or ghost followers. Know the page recommendation, page quality, the support and post. Then you, if everything is okay, you go ahead and buy the page. If you have watched this time and you have not liked this video, you have not followed, what are you waiting for? Like this video, comment, share, follow this page for more tutorials. I love you all. Bye guys. See you all in my next tutorial.